So now how many containers we have? 3 containers. Now what you will do, you will use some liquid and this containers dissolve. Okay, now keep one container here inside. Okay. Okay. Now three. How many containers? 3. How many containers? Now one disappear. How many containers? 2. How many containers? Now how many containers? 1. Can you see the container inside? No, it's not visible. Then what is the difference behind this? So what is the science behind this? Look, this one is vegetable oil. This is vegetable oil and this is for Pyrex glass. Basically we are using in science lab. Okay, so the refractive index of this glass is approximately 1.47 and this vegetable oil also 1.47 and the air is 1. So then when the refractive index is same, you can see